When life gives you oranges, you make orange bars. This time around, I had access to the best tasting oranges. For the shortbread, you'll need the following ingredients. For the orange curd, you're going to need the following ingredients. And for kitchen equipment, you're going to need a 13x9 glass bottom pan, a cheese grater, measuring cups and spoons, and a regular mixing spoon. You could also use a whisk. First, you'll need to dice 2 sticks of butter. And mix that with 1 cup of flour and 1/4 cup of powdered sugar. Now to combine the two, I'm using the combination of my spoon and a pastry blender. It's a little bit tricky to get this butter incorporated, and you can add a small amount of water to help get this dough to stick together. So make sure you line your pan with parchment paper prior to pressing the dough in. You'll have a slightly fluffy cookie dough mixture once you are complete. You must press this shortbread dough to the bottom of the pan. You can put water on your fingers to help it stick. As non-sticky as the dough felt in my bowl, it actually pressed into the pan fine. The shortbread crust bakes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 22 minutes, so you can put that in the oven now. While that is baking, we will prepare the orange custard for the dough. We'll start with the oranges. Using a cheese grater, we zest the skin of at least 1 orange. It'll be a bit tedious, but you can eventually collect enough zest to add. You can juice the zested oranges. You should use 1/4 cup to 1/2 cup worth of juice. To make the custard, crack open 4 eggs in a bowl and beat them. Add the orange juice, orange zest, white sugar, and 2 tablespoons of flour, and stir that all together. Once you get the shortbread base out of the oven, pour the orange custard over the crust in the pan. It won't look that thick after pouring, but it will thicken in the oven. It goes back in to cook for another 25 to 35 minutes. Now, after pulling the orange bars out of the oven, you'll want to chill them in the fridge for at least 30 minutes. This will be enough time to allow the custard to fully set. Give the orange bars a nice dusting of powdered sugar and slice them into squares. And that's it. Enjoy your orange bars. These were fantastic. If you like this recipe, hit that thumbs up button and be sure to subscribe to GMFV. Leave a comment below if you made them and let me know how they turned out. If you want to see how I made lemon bars in the past, you can click that video link right here.